we should be better prepared after Brexit. But if we look at the polling against the betting agencies, there still seems to be some discrepancy, and short-term traders are probably once again positioned, which means a Trump victory will have some very big short-term implications.
Okay, let's talk about the possible trades that you were just referring to. So you're trying to do as little as possible in the lead up. You're going to make sure that your clients are prepared to take advantage of the volatility post the election result. What are those possible trades that you're watching out for? Well,
we're talking a binary thing here, so it's a risk on, risk off, where the dollar may be a little bit the outlier because the dollar in a risk off would normally be bought, but here with a Trump win, I think the dollar will be sold off. I think everyone agrees it will. So the dollar yen is a big trade here. I mean, the safe haven yen against a lower dollar, so dollar yen should see a big move. Mexican peso, I don't think we need to talk about. That's become the biggest indicator, but it's also going to be so volatile, so we might not be able to find a price. I'm hearing major banks actually saying they're not prepared to watch stop-loss orders over the election for their clients.
They're not prepared to put in stop-loss orders?
Exactly. Now, you can trade and then you can ask for a price, but you cannot just leave an order and expect to get done because the slippage, because of the volatility, might be so huge. So the client might not want to accept a fill.
So Jesper, I tell you what, let's dig a little bit deeper and talk about what's been moving the dollar one way or the other, and that is what the Fed may or may not do, right? If it is a Trump victory, is it almost, in your mind, is it certain that they're not going to go? They're going to have to hold fire in December?
In my mind, yes. But I have heard commentators say the opposite. I think the aftermath in the financial markets are going to be too big. I think it would be too risky unless it becomes political and I want to send some kind of message, but I don't think so.